Alright, so I'll give you guys a little tour of my 60s Avion trailer that I picked up. This one I believe is 25 foot and it has a single axle. Kind of a big camper to be on a single axle. But I got anxious, started seeing how shiny I could get it. I using a polisher that's probably as old as the camper. It's in all around pretty decent shape. Now it's got some dents, some silicone. Somebody busted the window out and put rough cut lumber up in the window. That's pretty cool. So my goal with this thing is I'm just going to simplify it. I'm going to get rid of a lot of stuff with it. I'll go around the outside a little bit more. But somebody had a lock on there and beat it off. Altogether, that rest of that door is pretty solid. It had the original screen door, which is in actually really good shape. You can see all the acid rain water streaks. There's another spot that I started polishing. There's an access panel to some indoor-outdoor storage that they busted the lock off of and held it in with drywall screws. There's a little picture of that. It's got its fair share of dents and dings. It's 50-some years old. Somebody wasn't very good at backing up. And this entire area is dented. And there's some poor patchwork up there. And some dents and dings. Watch me. So here we go. We'll go into the inside. Now, mind you, I have gotten that entire trailer load worth of stuff out of here. And it's still pretty disgusting. Wow. So we're going to be getting rid of the old giant furnace that's in here. Mind you, I have filled an entire trailer worth of stuff. That a guy living in this, I don't know. Found some questionable items. Here's where the two twin beds go. Now all the floors are super solid. There's one soft spot right there where the shower must have leaked, down along the back of the shower. There's the shower pan, still the original pink. There's the original toilet seat. All this stuff is in pretty decent shape. Medicine cabinet and storage. They're kind of a funny area, but there's some more storage there. Now, when I got this thing, all of the doors had been ripped off by whatever crackhead animal that was in here living. All of the doors everywhere. I don't know if they ripped them off and burned them for firewood or what. But cabinets like these are in pretty good shape, but I still think I'm going to have to rebuild them just because they are pretty banged up. Original stove, not sure if it works. And that cabinet's pretty gross. Might rip out the dinette in the front and just put a couch up there. And the original refrigerator is gone. Probably going to put something a little bit more modern in here. And there's like a closet. And I mean, everybody, whoever the hell lived in here, ripped everything out of here. Kind of cool. So we put a mirror on the wall with some drywall screws again. And I am going to be taking this vent out and putting an air conditioning unit in the future.